This if they have video with Shran for a long time, or shit. Right now, in a elite girl can make music for them, or shit. You don't know what you plan to do, no big bro. But we can do a lot. I want to understand what I say. Learn that thing, bro. So your integrity important to you. You see me? When you sit aside and keep your mouth, you would be surprised what people have to say about you. The actions that people have to take in regards to your life. And so much more of it. Trust me. Your integrity, that's something you have to maintain. You see me? My integrity is something that take years to build. Years or shit. From a born and grow until now. No ranks, no falling, no ups, no down, no bubble, no double. Nothing like that or shit. Remember me tell you. But you would be amazed, brother, by the things that people will do. Say, just to get it done. Trust me. But the happiness in you, brother. You see me? It's up to you if you want to make them crush your happiness. Or you're going to just get up and do the right thing. But she world full of ups and downs. Today they are normal. Tomorrow is a millionaire and still normal. So, you see me?
Save the radar for kick out the big thing, you know?
That is it, man. I feel save my brother. And I save right too. You see me? I can't save the wrong way. Life sweet, Washi. Very few people see it. Very few, you know. We have everything else to make we happy. And we still find time to stress yourself for that. See that true word puppy. Life sweet, Washi. But they can't tell me otherwise, brother. Things just appear the way it is. Because I own man before you and I paint the picture, my brother. But if you live according to the rules and the laws of nature, you can't go wrong. I'm an Rasta Oshi. I man is no Christian. But I grew up in a Christian home. And I grew up around Rasta. You see me? And despite all the animosity we are going, I had there. One love, brother. One heart. You see it? Man, I will try to do what they want to do, you know, brother. Feel. Can't tell a man what to do, brother. Can't tell a man what to do. You have to make a change from within yourself, Oshi. You see me? Physically, mentally. You have to make a choice for yourself, brother. People try all type of things. All man are evil. Fear me, Oshi. Over the years. All me they do, sit down and observe mankind evilous ways. You see? And still happy. Because me have my life seeing with your brother. So if you take me shop, you take my car, you take my bike, you take my house. You see, for you not take my life, Oshi. You don't take nothing from me.
Nah, man, take my blood clot from me personally. Achieve. You see me?
There is so much me achieve, Oshi.
Yeah, nah, man.
Alright. I tell you a thing. I find myself in a position where me. Alright. True, I say go man, but you see for me, hate is a strong word, I'd say. You see me, so I wouldn't use hate. Yeah man. Me just know say yo, you see if they don't love me for who me is, brother. Me still love them. You see me? Yeah man. Because love is within me. I mean I'm gonna make sure you have hatred in you. Me I'm gonna make it manifest in me. You see me? I other one I win then all for sure. You see? When you meet up on obstacles, when I man meet up on obstacles, you see me, life changing obstacles for me is a learning process. You see me? It a teach me how to be smarter, stronger, more cunning. So think less of a post mentality and be more like a fox. You understand? Warrior no warrior, my brother, leave the horse alone. Yo, you see how long me I don't know fly around me? And now you then come to brown girl love ya fall like bush. Lord God.
Kill about 5 of them off of the TV screen because through a night.
Yeah.
Coming from the light and they watch me so up on the
You come in for your rat.
So by bed, they play jump on the bed after.
A trouble, yeah.
Kill them.
As them fly, you have to kill them, all the bees them. If you ever let them drop on the bed, you roll all by that night, so you can't sleep again.
There are big bees coming in the night, I look for them to some money that I would.
Jano.
Boy, then change the route every minute. I'm saying, man, you could have just give man some big one.
I tell you, man.
That man not feel so good, man, can.
Well, boy, now you years if I go in our shit. We have moved from this, brother. I bet you walk around this.
So the watch I show me something, say, boy, them a bit wicked out from the girl. Some girl, I never fuck, I never see them pussy yet, but I just want to know if they like this.